Well, this is how it starts. Two lovers in the dark, on the run from the one that they call Sheriff Sparks. 6 guns round the side, bullets round the waist, 2 shots to the sky, signal sound for the chase. The safe was nearly empty, they were nearly free, but were seen by the good eye of the mean Billy Green. And he screamed at the top of his lungs, they're on the run. 2 outsiders, grab your horses and your guns.